Welcome. In the previous video, we added some functionality to our string view library, and in this one, we are going to add some functionality related to predicates. We can begin by defining what a predicate is with a type def of a function that accepts a character and returns a boolean. Then we can add a signature for the function svShopWhile, which basically is going to shop characters while the predicate is true. To do that, we can just add a loop where we increment an index while the index is smaller than the string view count and the predicate for that current character is true. Finally, we can return the svShop of the string view that was provided by the user with the length of the index we accumulated. We can also create an example predicate called svIsAlpha, which is basically going to return true whenever the character passed by the user is an alphabetic character. And the definition of such function is going to be quite simple because we'll be using the C-type library function isAlpha. As mentioned, do not forget to include C-type. To test this function, we can first delete all of the previous video code. We can uncomment the code we currently have commented out. Running the current code once will result in what we expect. Then we can shop the first word of the file content using the svShopWhile function in conjunction with the svIsAlpha function. Adding two prefixes to our printf functions to simplify viewing and running the code, you can see that the first word that was shopped from the content is hello, and the remaining of the content is the remaining of the content in the file, as you can see here. If we modify the current file content, you'll be able to see that the first word is first and the remaining of the characters is a few spaces. Second, the word second, another spaces, and then 3 dots. And this is how you add predicates to our string view library. In the next video, we'll be creating a simple tokenizer to tokenize some source code.